She's like massaging my pancreas. Like it's not even like muscles. I mean, she's like digging fingers between bones and stuff. And I'm just looking for an out. Wife at the time and I had just gotten married, and we'd gone on a honeymoon, kind of took a road trip, took a cruise the honeymoon, road tripping back from the end of the cruise, and it kind of stopped off to see some relatives and people that couldn't make it to the wedding, but they just wanted to meet her and all that kind of stuff. So that sounds nice. So loop through, and this is down in Florida. I had an aunt who couldn't make it, and she said, "Well, I'm so happy for you both." She goes, "As a wedding present, I got like a couples massage for you." And I'm thinking, well, okay, that's a slightly intimate from a family member, but sure, that sounds very nice. I've never had a massage before. That sounds pretty cool. This is years and years ago. So I'm thinking, okay, it's like a spa. You get the little coupon, they arrange a day. You go in there with the cucumbers on your face and the hot rocks and the nice music in the background. The normal kind of thing. Somebody who's never had a massage before would think it is, spa day. And she goes, "Yeah, she'll be here in like an hour." I'm like, wait, what? Like at your house, like at my aunt's house where I used to visit for the holidays? Like not like this isn't some spot. No, she's coming here. Like, where are you gonna be? We'll be here too. Like this is getting weird all of a sudden. Like that seems more like a private kind of. No, you keep like bathing suits and stuff on. It's just I'm like, but like what? Like now I'm already like wife at the time's looking at me like, I'm like, I don't know. She already paid for it. I don't know what to do. Like, just roll with it. It'll work. Trepidatious 45 minutes goes by. I'm kind of thinking, like, okay, how does this work? Like, this is going to be awkward, but okay, we're just going to go with it. Sure. So I ride motorcycles. I hear a Harley Davidson coming up the street. I'm like, cool. Must be a biker buddy nearby. Wrong. I look out the front window. There is, I'm about 6 feet tall. I'm not a huge dude, but, I'm a big enough guy. There's a lady that easily has 4 or 5 inches of height on me, riding a Harley Davidson Sportster, which is not a big motorcycle. She's kind of like on this thing like a circus bear, and she has a massage table, like a folding massage table, thrown over her back like a quiver of arrows, like on her back, riding down the street on a motorcycle, just like pulling in the driveway. Wife at the time, I can just like she's like holding my hand. I can just feel her like tense up. Like this is already getting scary. I'm like, okay, this is going weird. She just, just like steps off the bike. Doesn't even like get off the bike. She just sort of stands up and she's no longer on this little motorcycle. Just like whips the massage table kind of off her back, kind of a little English, like a kung fu fighter with a staff. It's under her arm. And she's like ding dongs the doorbell. "I'm here for give some people some massages." And it's like, okay, like this isn't really scary. So she comes in and kind of takes the massage table and it's like, like a magician with a little table. She just kind of goes like, and just like snaps the legs down and it's like, "Hey, you like a strapping young man? You first." And just literally like in a cartoon almost kind of grabs me like scruff of my neck, back of my pants, just sort of bam on the table and just proceeds to give me like an assault. I wouldn't even call this a massage. I'm like hanging on the table. She's just like, "Oh, you got a lot of tension here. We need to work this out." I'm like, "The tension's from watching you pull in the driveway." So I received this like completely violent wedding massage, which is already weird to start with. I'm just about to tap out at this point. I mean, this is like pain level. She's like massaging my pancreas. Like it's not even like muscles. I mean, she's like digging fingers between bones and stuff. And I'm just looking for an out. I'm almost at play dead. Mercifully, the massage is over. And then wife at the time is just kind of standing there with this sort of like shocked look on her face, as if kind of like you see people that have watched some sort of accident happen or something like that. And she's just like, "You're next, cupcake." And she's like, "I gotta go to the bathroom." And just proceeded to hide out in my grandmother's bathroom for a half hour. And I was just like, "Hey, she's gonna be a while. Let me just tip you. Thanks a lot." And she rode away on her motorcycle, and I kind of limped my way to the couch. And as she rode away on that Harley Davidson Sportster, looking like a giant circus bear with a massage table on her back, just wondered, like how did she get into massaging, and how did my aunt know such a scary masseuse? Wife at the time was the one, and so the rental car story, the attempted carjacking story, the one like where there's like the kind of hooker chick in the desert that didn't actually speak English, and the snake on the boot, and the guys in the Mustang that tried to carjack us, and the gun and all that. So the rental car story, that car story, the drug deal in a ghost town, and then the Corolla rental car story where they thought I was like laundering it, where I had too many miles on it. We did like a 43-hour coast to coast. And so that story, the carjacking story, the drug deal in a ghost town, then renting the Mustang that got destroyed, all that happened in like 48 hours. That was a heck of a week. I got like 5 VINwiki stories out of just that one 48 hours. That was a crazy time. Just the one wife. Yeah, she was good for a lot of stories. She was a good, like, somewhat passive observer to a lot of stories. She was always the straight man for sure. She was a very, like, no person. Like, you know, there might be a rule, we don't need to break it. You know, very, let's stay in the lines. Don't. She was not. We clashed a lot on what we were allowed to do versus what we should do. So while that massage was certainly the most painful and somewhat alarming wedding present I ever got, was not the most interesting. That would have to be a gift certificate to a resort that turned out to be a nudist resort. But that's a story for another day.
This month of VINwiki content is brought to you by Bridgestone, and the most exciting news out of Bridgestone is the new release of their Turanza Prestige tire. It is their flagship grand touring tire, targeting luxury SUVs, crossovers, and sedans, like a Mercedes S-Class or a BMW X7. And this gives you all the whisper quiet ride that you want in a high-end luxury experience, as well as the wet and dry weather performance that we love from Bridgestone. And you'll get some of the greatest longevity they've ever had on street tires, 70,000 mile limited warranty. So we love Bridgestone for their sports car and supercar tires in the Potenza range. Of course, the Dueler AT Ascent that I've got on my Porsche Cayenne, I absolutely love. But whatever you're looking to find tires for, Bridgestone has something great. So check them out now at the link in the description below to learn more about the Bridgestone family of tires.